Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, trading from the beaches of Mexico. And in this video I'd like to introduce my new MT4 trading system I call the Neon Breakout system. In this trading system it specializes with very bright colors that make it easy to see entry and exits. All of the indicators are color coordinated, and in the top window I've drawn some red vertical lines to show you my sell entries and the resulting pips. And in the bottom window is my volatility window that is a special MACD indicator, and every time the yellow line crosses the red signal line, that's an entry or an exit. This is a really easy trading system, and I think that it's suitable for either newbies or veteran traders, and it specializes in retracement trading where you can enter multiple times. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out the website. Click the link below. Thank you.